Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Finally the time has come. Finally we can paint the first quadrant of my Mordheim table, guys. Yes, the graveyard is at the last mile, and finally we can use my airbrush that actually is from Galeri. It's a quite good product, guys. You can check the link in the description below. Galeri didn't sponsor this video, but they were kind enough to send me the new Seeker airbrush for me to try. So yeah, let's have a look together to this beautiful product. So what do you think? The line is very beautiful. I can't wait to test it on my terrain, okay? And this is now the third one that we have from Galeri. So this is the Seeker. Then we have the GAD 39. And of course, my favorite one till now, the Mobius. And finally, we can add the flocking, the final dry brushing, and all that we need for create the perfect Mordheim mood, guys. A special mention to my friend Paolo from Dadi Dungeon Dintorni, that actually has this beautiful STL file that you can download in the description below for the little mausoleum that you will see in this episode, guys. It's a beautiful piece and actually it's free for you on internet, so check the link in the description box, and thanks Paolo for your great work. Also, Paolo is on Kickstarter right now, so you can also check his Kickstarter page. You will find a lot of good stuff there, so yeah, check it out, okay? But now, without further ado, let's paint the graveyard. Crack on! This is a big chunk of terrain, guys, and we are going to paint it right now. Stay a while and listen. So this is after the first layer. I'm quite satisfied with the results, guys. What do you think? Now, guys, the best part. We can add finally some flocking to the piece and say the word end to this little quadrant. The graveyard is coming to an end. Let's crack on. So guys, what do you think? I'm quite satisfied with the results, guys. It's very playable, there is a lot of atmosphere. This is just the perfect start for the mood, you know. I'm very excited to continue this beautiful table. This is actually just half of the first quadrant. The other part will be the continue of the swamp village, as you will know. But for now, this is it for the graveyard zone. I have put some skaven. I have my 90s skeletons. It's quite nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this little start. And stay with me because this is just the beginning. Till next time, happy crafting!